Want to know the highest paying remote job for 2024? One that requires no degree, no experience, and no social media following, and can be done in just 2 to 3 hours a day. Now, before we dive into it, save this video and follow my page so you can easily access the information later. Forbes has announced that this job will be the highest paying remote job for the second year in a row. I'm Madeleine and I help ordinary people like me and you make money from home. So what is this high paying remote job, you might ask? It's digital marketing. At its core, you promote and sell digital products online. The best part? No shipping, no inventory, no cold calls or customer service required. And you don't even need to create the digital products yourself. You can purchase products with master resale rights and resell them for 100% profits. Now let's say you purchase a digital product for $100 and resell it 1,000 times. That's $100,000 in profits from one product. I have a free beginner's guide that shares all the details. Follow my page and comment guide below and I'll send you the info. And before you go, like this video if you found it helpful and share it with a friend who'd like to learn how to make money from home. You have an amazing day.